Guys, my name is Sia Jain, and welcome to a video in which I'm going to be sharing the tips and tricks to pass the financial reporting examination in ACCA. So, the first one would be consolidation. We for sure know that consolidation is going to be asked for at least 20 marks in your paper, which it could be your balance sheet or your profit and loss statement. So, why neglect these chapters, which we know is going to be coming for sure? So, if you could just practice more, you can ace it very easily. It's an easy concept. You just need to know your IAS and IFRS standards, and after it's just very simple. You should practice your consolidations on the CBE platform. I would suggest not on the Excel sheets, because the Excel sheets and the CBE platform have some differences. So it's better if you practice on the CBE platform before your exam, as you cannot add or subtract rows and columns on your CBE platform. There are some differences. It's better if you practice on the CBE platform itself. And after that, do not neglect your smaller IFRS and IAS, like IAS 38 intangible assets or investment property. It could be asked for your smaller MCQs, and it could be an adjustment even in your consolidations also. So why lose these marks? These are easy concepts. You just need to go through it once, and yeah, after which you could ace it. And that being said, it's a waste of time if you keep learning the IAS standards and the IFRS standard names. It's not necessary to learn the numbers and the names of the IAS and IFRS standards. It's just a waste of time. It's better if you understand the concept which is written inside it. These do not fetch you any marks from the examiner or lose your marks. It's just if you remember the standards and if you write it, it's okay. But it could impress the examiner, but these do not fetch you any marks. It's just a waste of time. After that, it's your interpretations of the ratios. uh, I feel that many students can calculate the ratios and everything, but they do not, but they cannot interpret the ratios. Simply just stating that the gross profit or the operating profit has gone up, or the gearing has increased, or the interest cover has decreased, would not fetch you any marks. You need to state the reasons why have the gearing is increased, or why have the interest cover decreased and everything. If you want, I can prepare a video on the interpretations of the financial statement and explain you why every ratio goes up and down. Just tell me in the comment section. And yeah, interpret why. If you just prepare if we know that 40 marks is for sure allocated to your interpretation and the consolidation, why lose on these marks? If you even score like 34 or 35 from these two sums, and just focus on these two sums and score 35, 34, you just need to score 15 marks from the rest of your paper from the MCQs. So yeah, it's a cakewalk after that if you just ace these two things. So yeah, these are my tips and tricks for the financial reporting examination. And if you want some more such videos, please let me know.